Just before this video kicks off, guys, I want to say a thank you to our sponsors of this video, Pouch. They're here to save you and me some money while shopping very easily, because we all know the rich stay rich by not spending money. That's definitely not me suggesting that I'm rich, trust me, I'm not. It's a what? It's a browser extension you can easily download. It just adds onto your little browser at the top, right? And it automatically scans discount codes for 3,000 plus websites. Main ones for you guys is Euro Car Parts. They do it for them. Very good, because I know a lot of you guys like your cheap parts. So let's give you guys a little scenario. You download Pouch, it's dead easy. You click one button, and we're getting some brake discs, and we're thinking, come on Euro, I thought you'd be giving me a better deal than that, boys. But you add them to your basket anyway, because you need these brake discs. Well, a bit more than I want to spend. Boom, Pouch pops up, top right, scans some codes, saves you half price, boys. And best of all, lads, it's bloody free.
And it literally takes 2 clicks to install, it's that easy.
So it's saving you time and money, absolutely no effort at all, lads. So what are you on about? The link's in the description. That one is specific to me, so that's giving actual feedback to Pouch of how many of you have come from me. So if a lot of you guys can come from me, it helps the world go round. Enough of me absolutely sweating my head off in this big jumper in the middle of May. Cut to the video. Hello people, hello. Is it raining again? Are you actually joking? This is the second video I've started today, everybody, because I actually started a video this morning for something for the Soarer. Wind, don't you dare take that camera down, Wind. I actually started a video this morning for the Soarer, but sadly we're not going to be able to do that video today because I've run into some issues. Issues on this channel? No. Luckily, I've had my arse in gear recently, and that means that I've actually got lots of mods planned. Yeah, by the way, just to let you know, this is the Audi. We still have a lot of people have not seen the Audi in a while. The Audi is here. I have had a plan to it, but as you can see, I've had a lot of other cars going on and things like that, a lot of other things going on. But so when I first got the Audi, people always said to me, straight pipe it sounds sick, it sounds sick. I'm like, fuck off, it's a diesel. I'm not straight piping a diesel. And everyone was like, no, it sounds like a GTR. I was like, piss off, no it doesn't. Lo and behold, I googled 3 litre V6 TDI Audi, and it actually sounds like a GTR. Granted, it's not a full straight pipe because we're just going to be doing the rear silencer delete today. We have got plans to do a full system, but me and Zorsworks. So if you didn't know, Zorsworks actually gave us these. If you do know, you know Zorsworks. We've worked with Zorsworks for ages. Zorsworks always does all of my exhausts for all my cars. He's an absolute legend, so of course he did these. And these actually, just a little plug, Zorsworks, not only does he do like custom exhausts, he does loads of things off the shelf. So these are like A5, well not sure, I'm not going to say exactly what it's for, but they're for this car, and he has these off the shelf. He has like silencer deletes, decats, mid-pipe deletes, all off the shelf, and you can actually order them online, and he's posting them all out now. He's mega busy. He says all you guys are loving the fact that you got more time to exhaust. So he's mega busy with orders like these. So if you do want any sort of exhaust parts, give Zorsworks a message. I've worked with him for years now. All his stuff are great, and he's such a good guy. So we're actually going to plan to do a full straight pipe on this. I'm gonna hate it because I'm getting old. I hate loud cars now, but we plan to do it. We're not gonna do it today, but today we're gonna do something that we can do. We're gonna fit a rear silencer delete, and then obviously we're gonna go back when all this is over, go to his new unit. We're gonna get a full straight pipe, just see what it sounds like. It's actually so nice not having like a stupidly low car, so I can actually just get a jack underneath. Right, so the car's in the air, which I'm going to add is the most annoying thing ever when you're trying to put a car in the air, which you've never previously put in the air. Trying to find jacking points and jack stands and all that is very annoying. Obviously finding jack points is easy, but finding a place where your jack stands is very annoying. I've literally just resolved to, you can just fit 2 on the jacking point, which is annoying because there isn't really anything safe under the car which a jack would sit on, with the jack stand to fit on easily. I think I could jack it up from that middle diff bit there, but that's way far into the car. I don't think if my jack could reach that far. Anyway, let's crack on now. We do have to do some grinding, so my guy Gordon is here. Hopefully that disc is enough. So the idea is we cut that off around about here somewhere, and then that just slots on there, and then we have the tip somewhat like that. So we're probably going to make a line about here. Now Gary did say put some paste in there, exhaust paste. I've not got any on hand, so I'm just going to fit it now, and then if it is leaking quite a lot, I'll just go to the shop and then just do that on my own time, but you guys don't want to see that. But shouldn't be too difficult just to pull it off, put some paste in, bang it back on. So right, let's start doing some measuramentos. But actually now I think it is very important to get a before and after. So I'm just going to set the camera up here, start it up, do a couple of revs, even though it's a diesel, and see what it sounds like, then we'll do one after. Yep, just to confirm, that is a diesel. Yeah, I'm not sure which way they go actually. They could go either way. Yeah, we're just going to send it because the cut's going to be the same. Looking at it, they could go either way because they could point up or they could point down. Obviously, it's a lot more common to have the hanger at the top, which is why I'm thinking it's this way. But it doesn't matter, they're the same length anyway, so it should be fine. So I'm just going to measure it up. Got a pen, Crayola pen. Yeah, I'm starting to think that they're facing down. It's going to be way too jap if it's pointing up. Lined up nicely. So I'm going to make a nice little mark. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. But we need our good friend Gordon. Gordon, you need to make an appearance, lad. We've not seen you in a while. Oh, he's down here. Here is Gordon. Now, if no one knows Gordon the Grinder, then you do not watch the channel enough. This is Gordon version 2, and it's some Einhell. Einhell, my guys, their power tools are absolutely sick, so everything's cordless. So there's a grinder, there's a gun, which is mad tings. Everyone will remember that episode with the Clio, where I actually dropped the Clio on the wheels because I took the wheel nuts off before jacking the car. I was that excited, but we'll forget about that. Now, of course, when you're grinding, you want safety first. So, of course, I've got loads of things on hand. One of them being some Mitsubishi sunglasses, which are a little bit floppy, but nonetheless, a bit floppy indeed. A little bit floppy. Very floppy, actually. Come on, fucking hell. Safety first. Here we go. Oh, Gordon, it's like slicing through butter, mate. Right, we can't get all the way around. Okay, it's a bit tight like a tiger up here, so I'm gonna actually drop the exhaust down. Then I'll be able to get a full cut on this. So we're just gonna pull out the rubber, but it's actually just bolted on up there with a 13mm. So I'm gonna drop them down each side. Should get another few inches on the exhaust and be able to make a clean cut right through then. What am I pissing about for? Eddie! Come here, Eddie, lad. Come on, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. Look at him. He is not scared. I'll tell you that now, lads. For Eddie. I nearly called him Freddy then. Sorry, Eddie, lad. Right, so I've just had a little mess around with if it goes, which one goes on this side, and I think the hangers do go at the bottom. So that brings it out here like this. Obviously it's going to be lifted up there. And then this tip just slides on like that, and then it should be sitting like that, which is what we want really. So let's start pulling this hanger off here, get some WD-40 in there, and I'll get a screwdriver and try and pick it out, and then we'll bolt that all back up. Right, so there's a quick mock-up. I've got nothing's bolted down at the minute, it's just on temporarily, but I think that's how far I'd like them to stick out. I won't want them to stick out any further than that. But I think I'm going to tighten it all up, make sure it all sits well, and start it up and see what it sounds like. So I think the exhaust paste thing, I don't think, you know, you can do that in another video. I don't think you guys think give a shit about that. So I know you guys just want to hear it. So yeah, let's get it all bolted up. In a perfect world, they won't even need exhaust paste, and we're just good to go. It is, but I highly doubt that because it's not a perfect flush around there. What's that on the bolt? Excuse me, wait, where are? Oh. I'm really intrigued to see what it sounds like. Gary was saying don't get your hopes up about the GTR sound because it's not full straight piped. But like, the thing with the Audis, if you look in the middle, there's no mid box. Like, there isn't a mid box. So realistically, other than the DPF, this is pretty much a straight pipe. Like, there's no mid box, and this has had a map. I can't imagine just them two boxes like hiding that much noise. But I suggest we just stop talking, just get fucking doing it, and let's just see what it sounds like, boys. Now, if I look at this tip, they've given ones which look like that, and most people just put them on straight, so that you get that sort of like aftermarket look. Now, because this bumper actually blends round, I think putting them on straight how you usually would makes it look a bit silly. You can't really see it that much on camera, but it just doesn't. So if I tilt it to the left, it actually flows with the car then. So if you have it from the side, instead of just sticking out, it actually flows like that. It actually flows with the car, and it looks a little bit symmetrical to the bumper. So I think I'm gonna rock that look instead of like that look. I think I'm gonna go with like the cleaner sort of look. Right, and the last piece, get the rest of this cling film off. And there we go, done. Done, 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 done. Can't wait to start it up. Oh, sorry, environment, sorry. Come here, you little bastard. Do they look symmetrical? Yes, I think they do. Right, should we start it up? And see how much it's fucking blowing. I bet it's blowing loads. Let's start it up. Right, so just before we turn it on here and see what it sounds like, just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's got a ticket through track car giveaways. We're actually giving away a 250 Cup Megane. If you didn't know, it's the last review I did. We're actually giving away that for £6.50. So we're going to be giving away a load of track related prizes, cars being the main, and track prepped cars. So thank you if you bought a ticket. If you haven't bought a ticket, link will be on the screen now. You can win this Megane for £6.50. So check that out. But yeah, let's see what this sounds like. Let's go. So I'm just going to butt in here, guys. We actually have a £3,000 snap-on tool set that's going to be finishing the draw on the 19th of May. There's a few tickets left, so if we can get that sold out, that'd be amazing. I'd love for it to go to one of you guys. It's £1.99. It's probably one of the best tool sets I've ever seen, so please head over. It's £1.99. I'm sure you can spare that. It'd mean the world to me. I really hope one of you guys get that tool set, so back to the video. Right, moment of truth, guys. Let's see. Okay, so it's not that loud. I did think it was going to be louder than that, to be honest. But I can now see why Gary was like, well, maybe not, Lee. I don't think it will with these. Where the hell? Where's all that noise been creating from them? Because this is straight at the back. Hey, check it, it's blowing actually. Straight in the middle. Must just be a big fat DPF in it, which is causing all that noise. Because that's actually really quiet. Well, it's not really quiet, it's nice. I think that's what I want from driving, like. That sounds quite nice actually. Sounds really nice. Just what I want. But this is YouTube and we need to go extra for YouTube. And you guys want to hear what it sounds like being a GTR. So do I for the banter. Probably a few days now to take it off. But let's check if it's blowing. It's actually not. I've done them so tight that it's actually not blowing. I don't actually think it's blowing. We have to take it for a spin, but we're doing that in a bit. So we're going to go and take, well, not going to surprise it for you, but we're going to have to take the mod which we failed on this morning to Kieran's. We need to do some modifications to it, but okay. Right, so I suppose all we need to do now is push Gary, Zorceworks, to get in his new unit, and we'll go down and get the rest of it straight back, because I don't, obviously there's a big fat DPF on it. Obviously that's why it's been quiet, but we're going to get that off and it's going to be purring. So actually I'm going to try and push Gary to do it before he goes through his new unit. I'm going to message him now and see if we can get something sorted this week, because I'm in the mood now. I want to hear this purr because it literally sounds like a GTR, guys. I'm not even joking. I'm going to actually insert a little clip here. Yeah, exactly. We want that. Right, so yeah, that is the end of the video. I'm actually going picking up something from Penrith in the Lake District tonight. Something absolutely mad, and it's going to be a great few videos. It's going to be something which you've not seen in a very long time. I'm sure you've seen it. You've never seen it on my channel anyway, but I'm sure you've seen it on other people's channels, but not in a very long time. So I'm going to try and bring it back, and it's something more than neons, like I've already done that. So we're going to get something tonight from Penrith, which was too much to say no to, and stay tuned for them. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for this. It's going to be loud soon. Love you all. See you next time.